Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, I'm so excited to be back for this week video. I miss you guys so very much. Right here I have the supplies that you need to make this beautiful candle holder. And all of the stuff I have on the table is from Dollar Tree. So you can pick yourself up some of these supplies. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and a wooden carving knife. Next guys, the goal is to create holes inside the baseball, and we're going to be using the hot glue gun and the hot knife to achieve this. And once we get the hole to the size that we like, we're going to stick the dowel rods inside. And for this particular candle holder, we're going to be using 3 of the baseballs. Alright lovelies, I miss you guys so very much. I had to take some time off because I have sickness in my family and I wanted to be available for them. But I'm happy to be back and share with you my wonderful creations. And thank you so very much that I've hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Of course, I will be doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned for that. It's coming up really soon. So I'm just trying to plan it out. And I'm just checking in on you guys to see how you guys doing. If you're keeping yourself safe and healthy out there. Wishing you guys many blessings. And if it's your first time checking out my channel, well, thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And if you like my content, I make high-end, budget-friendly DIYs. And if you are into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It helps my channel grow and lets me know that you enjoy my content. And please don't forget to drop a comment down below and share with your family and friends. And all my returning subscribers, well, thank you always for watching my videos. After hot gluing our top to our piece, we're going to take it outside and spray paint it that silver metallic color. Next, we're going to be taking this silver metallic ribbon and we're going to apply it to our design. And the link will be down in the description box below if you are interested. And it's from Amazon. Next, we're going to be using Dollar Tree diamond wrap and we're going to cut a strip and apply it to our design. because you know I love the bling to give it an extra pop. Alright guys, for the big reveal. Alright guys, I think our project came out beautiful. It's easy to make and budget friendly, of course. So let me know in the comments down below if you would make this project and where would you put it in your home. And guys, if you enjoyed this week's content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget that our giveaway is coming up very, very shortly. And please stay tuned for that. I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. You gave me a lot of encouragement. And please keep my family in prayers as we are going through some rough of times right now with battling sickness. Guys, if you haven't seen this video, please check it out next. It's another beautiful glam candle holder. Thank you so much guys for watching this week's video. Please be sure to check out my channel and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you.